Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about glueless wigs and why you should wear glueless wigs, alright? So this is just my opinion, this is just a couple things that I've researched and just wanted to give you a little one-two about glueless wigs. Alright, so number one, if you have hair problems such as like traction alopecia, thin hair, if you have a lot of breakage, dry hair, stuff like that, not a lot of hair growth, you should try glueless wigs. Reason why I say glueless wigs and not like adding frontal wigs, and you can wear frontal wigs, but like anything with glue or adhesive, is because you don't want to add any more tension or any more irritation to the problem areas. All right, you want to leave it alone, let it breathe, let it get some rest. So with the glueless wigs, you can put them on and take them off anytime you want. You're not restricted, all right, and there's not a lot of tension or anything pulling at your hair to add on to any more alopecia, to add on to any more thinning of edges. You just put it on and you go. It's super simple. All right, so number two is a very busy, hectic life. Yes, people, we are mothers, we are employers, we are employees, we have busy life. We want to be fly, we want to still have fun. So who has time to really spend on doing their hair every single day? Okay, it is a lot, especially like if you have on a sew and weave, you have to style it every single day because you sleep on it, it gets smashed, whatever the case may be. You want to be able to get up and go and do whatever you need to do with the quickness, all right? And what's the best way, what a better way than a glueless wig? You know what I'm saying? You just put it on. It takes like a couple of minutes to just put it on your head, adjust it, comb it, and then you'll hit out the door. It's like simple as that, all right? So save time, and you save time from going to the salon. So if you know how to do your own hair, wash it, condition it, deep condition it, and braid it up, then you're already ahead of the game. So you're already saving money, and you could just easily do your hair really quick. Pick one day out of the week, every other week, and just dedicate it to just making sure you do your hair. And plus, with my company, if you don't know how to do hair, I have a tutorial online right now how to curl and straighten your wigs at home. It is super easy. It takes like literally like almost 30 minutes if you can just take time, watch your favorite Netflix show, watch HBO, watch whatever you want to watch, The Housewives, whatever you tickles your fancy, okay? And just style your hair, and then you're set for like the rest of the week. Almost the rest of the month, because again, you take the wig off, you put it on a mannequin, put it wherever you put it, make sure you put it somewhere where it's not going to get damaged though. The style, preserve the style, and you're good to go. Alright? No excuses for not having your hair done when you have a glueless wig. Alright? So the next one is you want a healthy protective style. Now, when I say healthy protective style, it's because I just recently watched a YouTube video with a dermatologist, and she made very valid points as to healthy protective styles. Some protective styles are not healthy. Some protective styles pull at your edges, which can help increase the chances of traction alopecia, thinning edges, thinning hair. There's some people who said they had bald spots and stuff from certain protective styles that were either too tight and not really a protective style. Okay, it's just you didn't have to do your hair. And people were doing stuff where they weren't moisturizing their hair because your hair is going to get dry in that protective style. So you should always moisturize your hair with our hair oil. Okay, this is available at mercycouturewigs.com. It is an almond oil based hair oil. It has so many different ingredients in it, all natural, organic herbs and oils. Okay, this is excellent for wearing under your wig or with a protective style. Shameless plug, sorry. Alright, so if you wanted to do that, have a good protective style, a glueless wig is perfect. Not a lot of friction, hardly any, matter of fact, no friction, as long as it's not too tight. If it's too tight, you're going to have a problem. But it's pretty much put it on and go. I don't know how many times I'm going to have to reinforce this message. Glueless wigs, you can get up and go with them. They're super easy to style, super easy to wear and to apply on in minutes, okay? And you can then moisturize your hair underneath, because at night you take it off, put the oil on your scalp, moisturize it on the braids, make sure everything is nice and moisturized so your hair doesn't dry out, which is defeating the purpose of a protective style, all right? And last but not least, you just want to switch it up. Alright? Why do you have to be restricted to one hairstyle for the rest of your life? Switch it up, sweetheart. Enjoy life. Change it up a little bit. Have long hair one day, 1 week, then short hair the next week, curly hair, straight hair. I mean, the possibilities are endless. with a glueless wig. That is true, because that's the good point, or I should say. Because if you have glue, you're stuck with that hairstyle for a couple of days, couple of weeks. You're stuck with that hairstyle. You have to then remove it. It's a messy process to apply it. It's just a whole bunch of a lot for me, which I don't do. I stick with the glueless wigs because my hair has grown tremendously with glueless wigs, because I'm able to moisturize my hair underneath every single day. I'm able to massage my scalp, able to let my scalp breathe. I'm not applying any tension to my edges. I just braid it in a few braids going back, not even tight braids, just very loose braids, and get up and go. Now, sometimes I wear a stocking cap underneath, sometimes I don't, so it all depends, you know, and I am just going about my business in my glueless wig. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking for a reason to wear wigs, those were my reasons, and I think that a lot of people would agree with me. If you have any other reasons, please comment them down below. Give other people some advice if you can, and let's all help out each other, all right? We are in this together, all right? So don't forget, go to mercycouturewigs.com if you're interested in a styling tutorial, and our hair oil. It's our Herbal Infused Hair Oil. It is amazing. All right, so thanks for watching. Check you out next time. Later.